Smoking is a dangerous habit that can have serious health consequences. It is estimated that smoking kills more than 8 million people each year, and it is the leading cause of preventable death worldwide. Quitting smoking can be difficult, but it is possible with the right approach. In this article, we will discuss some tips on how to stop smoking and kick the habit for good. We will look at why cigarettes are so addictive, what strategies you can use to quit, and how to stay motivated in your journey towards becoming smoke-free. Certainly, quitting smoking can be a challenging but rewarding process. Here are 5 effective steps to help you quit smoking. Set a quit date. Choose a specific date to quit smoking. This will give you time to prepare mentally and emotionally for the journey ahead. Make sure the date is realistic and allows you enough time to plan and gather necessary resources. Create a support system. Inform your friends, family, and coworkers about your decision to quit smoking. Seek their support and understanding during this period. Join a support group or reach out to organizations dedicated to helping people quit smoking. Having a strong support system can significantly increase your chances of success. Identify triggers and develop coping strategies. Identify situations, activities, or emotions that trigger your urge to smoke. Common triggers include stress, socializing with smokers, or certain routines. Once you identify these triggers, develop strategies to cope with them. For example, find healthier ways to manage stress or avoid situations where smoking is prevalent during the initial quitting phase. Replace smoking with healthier alternatives. Find alternatives to smoking that can help distract you from cravings. Engage in physical activity, such as going for a walk or jog, to reduce cravings and improve your overall well-being. Keep healthy snacks, like fruits or nuts, handy to combat oral fixation. Consider using nicotine replacement therapy products, such as nicotine gum or patches, under the guidance of a healthcare professional. Stay positive and learn from setbacks. Quitting smoking is a journey, and setbacks may occur. If you slip up and have a cigarette, don't be too hard on yourself. Instead, learn from the experience and understand what triggered the relapse. Use it as an opportunity to refine your coping strategies and renew your commitment to quitting. Stay positive, celebrate your progress, and remind yourself of the benefits of a smoke-free life. Remember, quitting smoking is a personal journey, and different strategies work for different people. Consider seeking professional help from healthcare providers or smoking cessation programs for personalized advice and support tailored to your specific needs. We are hoping for your successful journey on ending your smoking.